Okay guys, I'm back with the same setup for this lesson, and we're gonna look at the letter F is in Frank, N is in Nancy, a question mark, and a period. Okay, so like I told you before in the last video, short sounds here, long sounds here with the paddle. Or if you go underneath and reverse the wires, you could switch that around if you want to get familiar with playing around with different things. Okay, so an F is two short sounds, a long sound, a short sound. Did the da did. So you hold this in till you hear did did. Simple, right? An N, one long sound, one short sound. You hold this the right side in. That's your N. Question mark. Did it did it. So you hold this in two, hold this in two, hold this in two. Did did. And a period is short, long, short, long, short, long. That's left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, that's pretty simple. Period. And there you have it. F is in Frank, N is in Nancy, question mark, and period.